So we're headed out to Kerrville. Gonna get one more stop on the Grand Motorcycle Tour of Texas down at Leakey. So it's a crisp, let's see what temperature is, 59 degrees. So y'all stay with us. We're gonna stop in Fredericksburg, get some good Bavarian, not Bavarian, like I said a while back, Bavarian food. So y'all, this is the Auslander, where we're going to be going today. Not the same place I went to last time, in Fredericksburg. But we've been there before, so we're going to try it again.
Even to the back.
Y'all
Back
stay
parking
tuned.
lot of the Auslander. And a lot of parking back here. Of course, it's Friday afternoon too, so here in Fredericksburg. But this is the back part of it, the Biergarten. So this is the, what you call it, the Webermeister Schnitzel.
We just left Fredericksburg, headed to Kerrville. Had lunch at Auslander, and I had the Webermeister Schnitzel as a mouthful. And it was a mouthful and a belly full. It was so good. Pam had the Old World potato soup. She really liked it. But I had German potato salad and sauerkraut. So good, so good. 10 out of 10. The service was good, food was good, and it came out quick. Maybe just, yeah, anyway, so good. Get the chance to go there. Get the Webermeister Schnitzel. They're going to serve you with a half a lemon on top of it. Squeeze the lemon on the schnitzel. Ah, so good. Got the, I don't know what kind of red onions it had on top of it, but my goodness gracious. The waitress told us that she's been telling the lady put it on their main menu because it's a popular item, and I get it. Go back down there again, that's what I'm going to be having. So anyway, we're probably 15 miles from Kerrville. We're spending the weekend there, riding around. Chris and sisters looking around, enjoying the scenery, the country. Several of the fall leaves, I don't know if you can tell the video or not. Several of the leaves are starting to turn yellow. Not much, a lot of green still. But man, we're loving this weather. Got up this morning when we left the house, it was 58, 72 here down outside of Kerrville right now. Winds are light, not bad. But it's a beautiful fall day in West Texas, so yeah, y'all hang around, more to come. So that night, after we got to Kerrville, we spent the night there. Met up with one of our ex-boys that we used to have out here at the Boys Ranch, and got to meet him and his fiance, and got to catch up with them. And that was really good to see him and see how well he's doing. And he's overcome a lot of obstacles. So still working on life, still working on getting things straightened out. I mean, golly, he's just 20-something years old, still trying to figure things out, getting things started for them. So, man, hang tight, Christian. You'll get there, brother. You'll get there. Just keep after it, man. So, yeah, I spent the night there in Kerrville. Got up the next morning and headed on out to Leakey and Medina, and going to stop at the Apple store there in Medina. And as we got into town, we had to stop about a half mile outside of town, and I'm thinking, I mean, all I'm seeing is like these red and blue flashing lights and brake lights on cars, and I'm thinking, oh crud, there's an accident up here, because just past the Apple store there's a turnoff that you go take up to go to Leakey, and I'm figuring the worst, you know. It's like, oh crap, somebody's had a wreck up there, and here in just a second, traffic gets to moving. Well, we got there just at the tail end of their homecoming parade. Homecoming was the night before. Medina's a little 6-man school, and they 45 their opponent. So that's great for homecoming. Way to go, Medina. Congratulations on your win the other night. Anyway, stopped off at the Apple store and then head on up to Leakey. So stay tuned.
Parade. And wow. I have to say this about Medina. They turn out for homecoming. They do turn out for homecoming. Do the parade. So, okay. Apple store. Well, that was fun. Do you mind for video?
No.
Thanks. You have strudel?
We got strudels and turnovers and cookies and coffee. Smells nice in back here.
Aha. Maple ice cream, yes. They've got all kinds of pie. Billionaire pie. I'll be back in a second. So here's a little grill area. I'm just videoing. It's a really cool little place. I'm well. How about you?
I'm blessed and great.
There you go. Don't hear that very much anymore.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Oh, look at that pie. What kind is it?
Apple.
Ah, look at that. Wow. How are you not 500 pounds?
Oh, I'm getting there.
It's a cool little store. Always loved getting in here. Stopped up here on, what are we on, 335? 330, yeah. Yeah, 335. If you're coming down here, there's a part of the road back there that says rough road. Believe it. It's at a low water crossing, and oh my goodness, it's plenty bumpy. But otherwise, it's been a good day, good ride so far. So we're on 41 now, headed over to 336 and head back down toward Leakey and head that way. So